Impact of XRP case, Solana, Cardano, and Polygon kick off subseason with high gains. Our Telegram group, which we will share airdrops and pre-sales soon, has been established. For instant crypto money news, you can use the Telegram link in the description section. Use the MEXC stock market link to buy and sell with zero commission in spot transactions. The developments in the last few days have caused great movements in the crypto money market. A U.S. federal court's ruling in the XRP case has seen significant gains in many cryptocurrencies. The court ruling ruled that XRP, the token on the Ripple network, is not a security in certain contexts, causing popular altcoins to experience double-digit rises in the last 24 hours. The price of XRP rose 62% to over 76 cents following this news. With the impact of this decision, some other altcoins were also positively affected. Solana, SOL, is up 17% on the day and up a significant 32% on a weekly basis, trading at around $26 according to CoinGecko data. Ethereum scaling network Polygon, Matic, on the other hand, has seen a 16% increase in the last week and is trading at 84 cents during the day, showing a 27% increase on a weekly basis. In addition, other altcoins such as Chainlink, Link, which traded above $0.32, and Stellar Lumens, XLM, which rose close to 13% on the day, also made big gains. According to CoinGecko data, many other cryptocurrencies that are considered securities by the SEC have also experienced significant increases over the past few months. However, the gains of these tokens were not as large as the aforementioned tokens in the last 24 hours. Filecoin, FIL, has seen an increase of 6% today, but it has seen a 25% increase on a monthly basis, a significant increase in its current market capitalization. Cosmos Hub, Atom, on the other hand, is up 6% and has recorded a gain of almost 12% in the last 30 days. According to CoinGecko, Cosmos Hub is currently trading above $9.60. Analysts considered the court ruling a positive step for the overall cryptocurrency space, and noted that it provides more clarity for investors and projects. However, although the court ruling suggests that XRP should not be considered a security in certain contexts, the issue is yet to be fully resolved. Chris Martin, Amberdata's head of research, said, "Today's decisions are a huge step forward for the industry. With the decision that XRP is not a security, we are beginning to provide clarity on what a security is and what it consists of a commodity," he said, adding, "The SEC will need to review its tactics in ongoing litigation, and I expect this decision to consider many other tokens as securities as well." Corey Klippstein, the CEO of Swan Bitcoin, has issued some warnings despite crypto Twitter's joy. The court has not made a summary decision on whether the programmed sales of XRP that take place through exchanges will be considered as a sale of securities, so this issue will be tried further, Klippstein said. Secondary trading of altcoins made on exchanges will be valid, and this is in line with existing laws, Klippstein added. Investors believe that a lawsuit in which Ripple and cryptocurrency XRP were seen as winners in its lawsuit with the SEC has had significant consequences for the entire cryptocurrency industry. All in all, the court ruling in the XRP case is positive news for the industry because it could help many cryptocurrencies and other altcoins, such as Coinbase, evade the SEC's oversight and the impact of lawsuits filed accordingly. It also provides greater regulatory clarity for cryptocurrencies. It is considered as an important step. Coinbase shares rose about 18% on this news, while the prices of cryptocurrencies like Cardano and Solana also rose significantly. Both Cardano and Solana stood out as cryptocurrencies that were tried to be accepted as securities by the SEC. Both cryptocurrencies have intriguing technical capabilities on their respective blockchain networks, and are worth considering with the movement taking place across the industry. However, in the past they have often acted in tandem with the general sector. Recent developments point to a slight recovery in the price of Solana. This cryptocurrency is trading at $22.08 at the time of writing, up 0.98% and has gained more than 9% in the last week. The Q2 performance report published by crypto analysis provider Messari also contributes to Solana's resilience. According to the information shared by Messari, the Solana blockchain experienced ups and downs in Q2 and its price value fell by 9%. However, this token finished the quarter among the most important cryptocurrencies with the highest market capitalization, and maintained its position as one of the most valuable assets. During the quarter, Bonk, the first meme token in the Solana ecosystem, also impacted overall performance. Bonk helped drive Solana figures to new heights with users interacting with an unknown smart contract in May with the effect of increasing large trading volumes in the first quarter. According to CoinGecko, the Solana protocol has a Nakamoto coefficient of 32 in Q2, which indicates a decentralization on top of it compared to other layer 1s. The second quarter also saw the launch of the protocol smartphone called Solana Mobile, which was made available to order publicly in May. Last month, Solana, SOL, and several other cryptocurrencies faced a sell-off pressure following lawsuits filed by the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, against major exchanges such as Binance and Coinbase. However, Solana has overcome these challenges and experienced an extraordinary comeback in recent weeks. By demonstrating endurance and strength, Solana has become one of the best-performing digital assets during this recovery period. Solana's price analysis at the time of writing, SOL was trading at $21.84, down 0.62% in the 24-hour period. However, in the last 7 days, the crypto token has increased by more than 10% and has become the second best-performing crypto token along with Compound, COMP, according to the weekly charts. Solana's monthly rally is even more impressive, with the cryptocurrency surged by more than 40% during this period, contributing over $1.8 billion to its market capitalization. Since this is a breakout that indicates that the price has outpaced the previous downtrend, it signals that the momentum may change and the SOL price may start to move upwards instead of continuing the previous downtrend. However, increased bullish activity increases the likelihood of selling pressure as some technical indicators, such as the Relative Strength Index, RSI, and the Money Flow Index, MFI, indicate that the SOL is in overbought territory. Solana, one of the largest altcoins, has dropped significantly in price last month, after several trading platforms such as Robinhood and eToro removed the token from the list. The reason for this situation is that the SEC's lawsuits against Binance and Coinbase, which SOL claimed were an unregistered security. In the eyes of the SEC, many other cryptocurrencies such as Polygon, Matic, Cardano, ADA, Sandbox, Sand, Flow, are also seen as unregistered securities. Despite the possibility that Solana's remarkable performance will continue, it can be expected that there may be a correction in the near future and it may be in favor of the bears. This expectation is supported by the fact that there are overbought signals in important indicators such as the RSI and MFI.